Hello everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a new LEGO Ultimate MOC build. Today we're converting 42118's green chopper into the single engine aircraft. Airplane, whatever you want to call it. This set comes in at 173 pieces across 82 steps, so the fact that you're going to average at 2.1 pieces for the single engine aircraft. The engine for this aircraft, of course, is the pullback feature, came with 42118's original set. We converted building it. It's our first aircraft conversion for this set, so they strip the green chopper apart, put the pieces in tubs, and get to today's conversion, the single engine airplane. Enjoy. is the full and complete conversion from 4118's green chopper into the single engine airplane. It looks pretty nice. Very cool. I like the rear wing. It's a sick looking rear wing. It looks very aircraft. It looks a bit like a pair of eyes. Propeller doesn't actually like work or move because it's just a fixed one with some pieces and connectors. Hey, look, the wheels, if you do move them back, without the tires, they do move. I enjoyed this. Took about 20-25 minutes to build in total. A pretty small set. Took my time building it. So it took a little bit longer than probably it might should have. Overall, a nice looking design. A striking little design. Little plane at the back. I mean, apart from the spoiler, this bit going back here is a little bit plain. No pun intended. A spare piece on the front for the black circle. That'll be in the spares box. And yeah, happy days. Let me know how you feel about it down below. As always, if you like, subscribe if you're new. Do you like this single engine aircraft, airplane? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know how you feel about it down below. And the creator, if you're watching this, comment your name and I will say thank you for letting me build this set. It's a lovely little set. So with that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.